Good morning, student of class 3. I am a computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start a new chapter, which is chapter 3, chapter number 3, beginning with MS Word 2016. Okay, beginning with MS Word 2016. So let's start. Here you can see the content page of this chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about word processor, starting MS Word 2016, component of MS Word 2016, creating a new file, typing the text in a word file, selecting the text, type text in a word file, cut, copy, paste, saving a file, closing a file, opening a file. Good habits for MS Word users. Okay, today I am discuss about the first 4 topics, which is word processor, starting MS Word 2016, components of MS Word 2016, and creating a file, creating a new file, typing the text in a word file. Okay, so these are the 4 topics which I will have discussed in this video. So here we can see word processor. First of all, we need to know what is word processor. Word processor is a software. It is used to type and beautify the text on a computer. That means when we want to create some document, we need a word processor software, and the word processor software is used to type, used to create any type of document, any type of word document, and it also used to beautify the text on a computer. Okay, Wordpad, Microsoft Word, and PageMaker are a few word processing software. So these are the example of word processing software. Wordpad, Microsoft Word, and PageMaker are the example of word processing software. We learn about the Microsoft Word 2016 in this chapter. Okay, Microsoft is a company. Microsoft is a company that makes these softwares. Okay, the company made a package called MS Office. It includes software that required any Office, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word. Next is Microsoft Excel. Next is Microsoft PowerPoint. Next is Microsoft Access. Okay, Microsoft Office is a packaging software. Okay, Microsoft Office is a packaging software. In this software, MS Office, which is called MS Office. Okay, Microsoft Office is a packaging software. In this packaging software, there are MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and MS Access. Okay, include in this packaging software. So now we will discuss about the starting MS Word 2016. To start MS Word 2016, we need to follow this step. First of all, click on Windows icon. Okay, we all know that computer has a Windows icon. We need to click on the Windows icon. Then click on Word 2016. Okay, then click on Word 2016. A window with various document option will appear. Select blank document and a new Word file will open. Here you can see the new new blank document. We need to click here. Okay, you need to click here to create a new document. Select blank document and a new Word file will open. So these are the steps to be followed to open MS Word 2016. Okay, next is the components of MS Word. Components of MS Word. There are different types of components in MS Word. First is title bar. Title bar means where the title is show for the document. Okay, here you can see the title bar. Okay, title bar, document word. This is the title bar where the title is shown on this picture. Okay, next is quick access toolbar. Has the shortcut of the to the most commonly used commands. That means quick access toolbar. Here you can see the quick access toolbar. Okay, most commonly used commands are stored here. Next is file tab. Has the option to open, close, and save a document. That means this file tab option. Here you can see the file tab option has open, close, and save a document. Okay, option open, save, and close the document. Next is ribbon, a group of toolbars. Here you can see ribbon, a group of toolbars. Okay, all the toolbars including in the ribbon. Okay, next is workspace. Here you can see the white space. Okay, an area where the text is typed. In the white space we type the text. This is called workspace. Next is scroll bar. Scroll bar is used to go up and down in a document. Scroll bar is used to go up and down in a document. Here you can see the scroll bar. We use the scroll bar to go up and down. Okay, next is rulers, to measure the width and the height of the page in a document. Rulers is the use. Next is status bar, gives the information about the document. Okay, status bar is used to give the information, show the information about a document. Next is cursor. Cursor is very very important. The blinking line on the word type letter appears the space to identify where the letter will be appear. Okay, here you can see the cursor. Here you can see the cursor. We use the cursor to write start the typing on our computer. So these are the main components of Windows Word, MS Word 2016. Okay, next is creating a new file. Creating a new file, these are the steps to, here you can see the 4 steps to creating a new file. First of all, click on file tab in an open Word document. Click on file tab. Okay, in my here you can see the file tab has option open, close and save a document. Okay, so we need to click on file tab to open a Word document, then a group of option for a document will appear. Okay, here you can see when we click on the file tab, there are many option is open. Okay, next is click the blank document. Here you can see the click the blank document. Click the blank document. Here you can see the red circle. Click the blank document and you will see a blank page open. Okay, you will see a blank page open. These are the 4 steps to be followed to open a Microsoft Word 2016 to open a new file. Okay, so and the keyboard shortcut keys to create a new file is Ctrl N. So Ctrl N is the keyboard shortcut to create a new file. Next is typing text in the Word file. You can type text using the keyboard. Use the enter key to move to the next line. That means when we complete a sentence or line, okay, next we need to click on the enter button, enter key, to go to the next line. Next is use the backspace or delete key to erase the letters you have typed. That means we can easily erase using the backspace key or delete key. Okay, when we have some mistakes in typing, then we use backspace or delete key to erase the letters. Next is use caps lock key or shift key to type in capital letters or small letter. When we need to write capital letter, we need to press the caps lock key. Okay, caps lock key to write capital letters or shift key to capital letters. Okay, when we don't need to write capital letters, then we only write in small letters, then we did not don't need to press the caps lock key. Okay, that means these are the process to write text in a Word document. Next is, here you can see some inside question answers is following the topic. Write the uses of Word Processor software. The Word Processor is a software. It is used to type and beautify the text on a computer. WordPad, Microsoft Word and PageMaker are the few word processing software. Next is, write some example of word processor software. Some example of word processing software are MS Word, Notepad, WordPad, etc. Here you can see, write the steps to starting MS Word. First of all, we need to click on the Windows icon. Next, click on the Word 2016. A window with various document option will open. Next, select the blank document. A new Word file will open. Next, write the uses of scroll bar. Scroll bar is used to go up and down on a document. Next is, write the uses of rulers to measure the width and the height of the page in a document. Status bar is used to give information about a document. Cursor, define cursor. Cursor is the blinking line on the word type letters appear, space to identify where the type letters will appear. Okay. Next is, write the steps to create a new file in MS Window. First of all, we need to click on the file tab in open Word window, Word document. A group of options for a document will appear. Click the blank document. You will see a blank page opens. Okay, so these are the total number of question 8. All of you need to write this question answer and on your computer copy, and also read the book chapter carefully for better understanding the topic. In my next video, I will continue this chapter and I hope that all of you have already written and learned first two chapters question answer, and also write the question answer inside and outside, exercise question answer both on your computer copy. Okay, so I am ending today's discussion here. I will continue the chapter in my next video. So till then, goodbye, take care, and thank you.